Title: Squiggles the Squirrel's Spectacular Scavenger Hunt. Once upon a time, in a lively forest, there was a peppy squirrel named Squiggles. Squiggles was a punctual little squirrel who always woke up with the sun's first beam. He believed that the early squirrel gathers the tastiest nuts. One sunny morning, after cleaning his cozy den, Squiggles heard the excited chirps of the birds announcing a spectacular scavenger hunt. The winner would receive a tremendous trophy full of delicious berries and crunchy acorns. Each participant received a list of items to collect. This list was challenging, but Squiggles was eager. He took a focused, deep breath and raced to the first item, a bright blue feather. He found one right where the parrots took their morning nap, proving that being alert paid off. Next, he needed to find a shiny pebble. Squiggles remembered seeing similar pebbles near the chattering brook. If Squiggles could remember anything, it was his mama's advice to always eat a hearty breakfast to stay sharp. It seemed to be working because he found the shiny pebble exactly where he remembered. As the day went by, Squiggles collected each item on the list, ticking them off one by one. He scanned over the treetops, dug through the flower beds, and even dove into the pond. It was a lot of hard work, but he didn't give up. Remembering how important a good night's sleep was, it provided the energy he needed for such an adventurous day. Finally, Squiggles spotted the last item at sunset, a rare golden leaf, known to fall off a mysterious tree only once a day. Thanks to his punctuality, he was just in time to see it fluttering down. Tired yet filled with joy, Squiggles raced back. To his amazement, he was the first one back. His disciplined approach, healthy meal, and good night's sleep had all paid off. Squiggles received the tremendous trophy, a beaming smile on his face. From that day onwards, all the critters admired Squiggles' punctuality, discipline, and healthy habits. Thus, the tale of the spectacular scavenger hunt taught everyone in the forest the importance of these good habits, all thanks to Squiggles the squirrel.